Hi and welcome to the course Dropship Niche Mastery, how to discover profitable dropshipping and e-commerce niches. My name is Michael Sterling and I want to personally thank you for investing in this course. If you're here, then I'm guessing that you're looking for ways to make it easier for yourself to find great niches. I understand how difficult and frustrating this niche research stage can be, especially if you do not have any proven blueprint to follow. So my aim for you is by the time you have completed this course is that you have a clear understanding of how to go about finding niches for yourself. So I hope you enjoy the course and let's get started. So we're going to cover here what exactly you will be learning from this course. Firstly, we'll be going over probably the main part of why you're here is to discover how we actually go about researching niches. So we're going to spend quite a bit of time with this particular section. Once we have our list of niches, we're going to go over and actually test each niche to test if it will be a viable and profitable niche. Once we have done that, I'm going to share with you the three rules that a dropshipping niche must have. These are very important. I'm going to explain to you also why we adopt these three rules. Then we're going to move on to identifying the niches that we must avoid. So I'm going to share those with you. I'm going to explain to you why we need to be avoiding those niches. We're then going to cover how and why you should create niche stores. We're going to go over my methods that I use to find real legitimate suppliers. I'm going to show you how to contact these suppliers using my method. I'm also going to go over with you ways we can actually increase our sales to our store. We're going to cover a few different ways we can actually drive traffic to our store. We're also going to go over how I create my dropshipping stores. I'm going to show you the platform that I use. I'm going to show you just how to generally set up a dropshipping store so it's ready to go for you to start making sales. Then towards the end, we're going to go over a special bonus of mine, which is what I've been using for a while now to easily get tons of products to your store without actually having to get approved from a supplier. So I'll be sharing that with you towards the end of the course. So what is dropshipping? Well, dropshipping is when you sell products you never actually get to see or touch. So you only purchase the items after the customer has paid you. The supplier will ship the item directly to your customer, which is also known as dropship, to your customer. So the profit is the difference between the retail selling cost and the buying cost. This is a simple dropship model, just explaining how the actual process works. So here on the left, in the orange box, we have the customer. The customer comes along to your store, the green box in the middle, and places an order, which in this example, the item costs $200. You then contact the supplier with the order details. You pay $150 to buy the item. Then the supplier ships the item directly to your customer. So you, as the seller, get to keep the $50 profit. So you can see here how the dropship model works. You don't actually see the product, but yet you can make profit from the product. Benefits of this obviously are you don't need to pack and post any items yourself. And also with this model, you can pretty much work anywhere in the world as long as you have a Wi-Fi internet connection. So probably two of the biggest kind of benefits to the dropship model.